more doggies. Oh guys, look at here.
That won't get it.
Yeah. Oh, look at the show.
Is it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it 10 or 12?
That's what she
10
said.
to 12.
We have the...
Yes. Now there can be around 2 days worth of food.
It's so cold. Where is he? He's doing the same thing. Oh, yeah.
As we expand our towns and our cities, we're making changes to the landscape, and not all birds can adapt to these impacts.
Lean back.
Oh, look at me.
Sit back.
I want to get a photo of
His
that.
tail. Cute. Look at that. So cute. Noisy.
I have one of those.
Scary.
It's not breasted. See the back on the left.
They're not moving.
They could easily get out of here.
Oh, right, easy it is. Are you ready to punch?
Balance.
Moving kangaroo.
First the wall. I think it's the sun.
Come out. That's scary.
I've just done so much research about it, and I reckon you'll save a lot. Yeah, because it's more so the fun. Like at night,
It's obviously very well designed when it comes to use in the water as well. Now what Bondo's doing here is what we call porpoising or bowing. It is a very quick and energy efficient way to get around our oceans. Remember we said very quick and energy efficient.
hang on.
See the muffin in your teeth.
Yeah, I'll come closer.
Fairies in the... I think closer is the better.
That's good. Yeah, okay. Do you want to have a look? I'll go further away.